In 1854, Britain's wounded poured into the barrack hospital at Scutari, overcrowded, filthy, and deadly. Disease killed more soldiers than bullets. Into this chaos came Florence Nightingale, leading a group of nurses. She enforced strict cleaning, demanded fresh water, proper food and ventilation. She introduced hand washing, changed bandages daily, and reorganized wards. At night, she walked the halls with a lamp, checking every patient, earning the name, the lady with the lamp. Her reforms cut the death rate from nearly 40% down to just 2%. Florence Nightingale didn't just comfort the sick, she saved thousands of lives, and in doing so, she changed nursing forever.